In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively copy and link data between Google Sheets, Slides, and Docs. This is a fantastic way to ensure that your data remains consistent and up to date across all your Google applications, saving you both time and effort in the process. Let's dive into the process, starting with Google Sheets and Google Docs. First off, in Google Sheets, you'll want to select the table or chart that you'd like to use. Take a moment to ensure you've highlighted everything necessary, as precision at this stage will make the process run much smoother. Once you've got your desired data highlighted, go ahead and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the information. Next, switch over to Google Docs. Navigate to the document where you want this data to appear and position your cursor at the ideal spot within the document. Then press Ctrl+V to paste the table or chart into Google Docs. At this point, a small window will pop up, presenting you with a few pasting options. It's critical to choose Link to Spreadsheet here. By doing this, you are actively linking the data, which ensures that any updates made in the original Google Sheets file will automatically reflect in your Google Docs document. This connection is a huge advantage as it helps maintain consistency without needing manual updates. Now let's talk about how to handle updates when your data changes. Once you've pasted and linked your data in Google Docs, you might find that updates are necessary when your original sheet is modified. To do this, simply click on the pasted table within Google Docs. You'll notice an Update button appearing towards the top right of the table. Clicking this button will refresh the data, pulling in the latest updates from your original Google Sheets file. Easy, automatic, and efficient. Next, we'll move on to linking Google Sheets with Google Slides. This process closely resembles what we've just walked through with Google Docs. First, from within Google Sheets, select the chart or table you wish to copy. Use Ctrl+C once again to copy your selection. Now switch over to Google Slides. Open up your presentation and navigate to the slide where you want your data to appear. Here, just like before, press Ctrl+V to paste. As you paste into Google Slides, make sure to once again select the option to Link to Spreadsheet. By choosing this setting, any changes made in your original Google Sheets file will automatically be updated in your Google Slides presentation. This means that important presentations will always be accurate without any manual corrections. And there you have it. By linking data in this way, you ensure that your documents and presentations are always in sync with your source data in Google Sheets. This method not only keeps everything uniform, but also saves substantial time, making your workflow more effective. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps in making your process even smoother.